datasets. Today, I'm going to show you how to add a +1 in front of a list of numbers in Google Sheets without running into errors. Sometimes when you try to add a plus sign directly, Google Sheets thinks it's a formula and gives you a formula parse error. But there's a simple fix. Step 1. Use an apostrophe. Start by typing an apostrophe pay before your number. For example, the apostrophe tells Google Sheets to treat the value as text, so the plus sign won't cause an error. Step 2. Apply to multiple cells. If you have a long list, you don't want to do this manually for every cell. Here's a faster way. Highlight the numbers you want to update. Press Command plus F, Mac, or Control plus F, Windows, to open, find, and replace. Click More Options, search within range. In Find, type the text you want to replace. For example, the start of your numbers. In Replace With, type +1, apostrophe, plus sign and space. Click Replace All. Now, all of your numbers have a +1 in front of them and are formatted correctly as text. This is perfect for phone numbers, international codes, or any list where you need to add a prefix without breaking formulas.